Hi everybody, Mike Hurley here with the Highway of Heroes tree campaign.
Mike Hurley.
Hi, I'm Lillian Jojer.
And
Summer
Lillian's
student
with the
of
Highway of Heroes as well.
Yes.
That is the Highway of Heroes street campaign. And here is the boss for the day.
David
This
Turnbull.
is David Turnbull.
Operations Manager, Highway of Heroes.
Now, David, we're here at the corner of southwest corner of 401. That's the Highway of Heroes and Don Valley Parkway.
actually
And where
Don,
are
yeah.
we exactly?
So we are standing in Betty Sutherland Park. This park was created 20 some years ago and is a beautiful site to be planting trees, memorial trees for the Highway of Heroes campaign.
How many acres?
About 10 acres here, which means we can get about 10,000 trees.
10,000 trees. Now we're here in the spring of 2020 doing what precisely in the pouring rain?
Yes, so today we took soil samples because we use Vineland Research Station and their protocol to develop what type and how much amendment we need to add to this soil to try and ensure establishment and survivability of these trees.
So just in case you have any doubt about the soil samples, there's some soil. You're not supposed to wear it, Lillian. David Turnbull, we're going to plant this area when?
Starting this fall, fall
Okay.
2020 and spring 2021.
It's the Highway of Heroes tree campaign, 117,000 trees in the Highway of Heroes. David Turnbull and team, thank you so much.
All right.
We appreciate what you're doing. Mark Cullen with the Highway of Heroes on the Highway of Heroes 401 and Don Valley Parkway. Highway of Heroes Tribute.ca.